guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, if this is your first time seeing this face, because this is your first time seeing this face, of course, the reason why you're seeing this face for the first time is because I am the face of the YouTube channel you're actually watching right now. Okay, this channel is all about making money online, but today I'm going to be doing a different thing all in together. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway every day on this channel. Yes, I'm going to be doing a video like this. I'm going to be giving you a giveaway every day on the channel till I reach 10,000 subscribers. So if you want to be a part of this giveaway, all you have to do is click on that subscribe button. Yeah, click on that subscribe button, turn on the bell to subscribe. Anytime I post any video that's related about making money, crypto, and every other thing, YouTube will notify you immediately. So how do you actually participate in this giveaway? All you need is one, a Binance account. Yes, you need a Binance account to participate in this my giveaway. Two, you need to give me 10, 5, or even 12 minutes of your time so that I can be giving you all the codes for the giveaway to actually claim the giveaway. And that is how you can actually participate in this giveaway. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me show you how and why I mean that you need a Binance account. So watch this video right now. So guys, once your Binance right here, so right as you can see right here, I mean my Binance, right? All you have to do now is click on this more section. When you click on this more section, you click on that more section to take you to where to take you to all the features they have in the Binance, right? So all you have to do now is scroll. Yeah, scroll until you see this. Just scroll right now until you see this. Yes, until you see this right here. You have to scroll until you see this. Until you see this. This is called the red packet. Then you click on the red packet, right? Click on red packet. Once click on red packet to load up. If the feature is available in your own, it will load up. So anybody can actually claim this giveaway. Once it load up right now, it will take you to where I will show you where you should input the code. Yes, I'll show you where you should actually input the code that I draw for you guys. All you have to do is change this. After this, you will see the send and you will see the receive right here. All you have to do is click on the receive. Yes, once you click on the receive, all you have to do is now input the code I'll be giving you on the YouTube channel, right? I'll just input the code. Once you input the code right there, then you now click on this claim right here. You click on claim. The claim button will turn yellow automatically. I think you have to click on that claim. As you can see right here, I have claimed a lot of. So guys, after watching the video on how you can claim the account, so this is the first code for today. Yes, this is the code for today. Yeah, all you have to do is follow the method I actually showed you on how to claim that code. Yes, just follow the method and then you can actually claim free tokens for yourself. Yes, free crypto for yourself, because this channel is all about making money online. So guys, every day right here I'll be dropping this kind of code. Yes, this kind of code you're seeing right now in my screen, I'll be dropping every day on this channel so that you can actually participate in this giveaway and make money for yourself with this channel. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button. Don't forget, click on that subscribe button.